Hi everyone. Welcome to the video. We're going to discuss the upcoming hardware from NVIDIA, the GeForce RTX 4070. It looks like the RTX 4070 is following the recent trend of hardware and retailers listing upcoming products weeks before they hit the shelves. We'll take a closer look at the RTX 4070 specifications, potential prices, and more. MSI jumped the gun and briefly listed the RTX 4070 on their website. This board will feature 12 GB of memory and 2 fans to help with cooling. But don't get too excited yet. Until the official release date arrives, it's best to take these revelations with a grain of salt. It looks like MSI could release 4 different RTX 4070 products: the Ventus 2X, Ventus 3X, 2 Supreme models, and 2 gaming models. Other hardware and retailers, like GameWord, Palette, and PNY are also listing their RTX 4070 products, but again, not much is known about them yet. So what about specs and prices? NVIDIA has reportedly equipped the RTX 4070 with a cut-down version of the AD103 microarchitecture, featuring 5,888 active CUDA cores. The recommended price from NVIDIA is allegedly $599, but MSI and its partners are likely to charge significantly more when these products hit the shelves. We know that NVIDIA won't have any supply problems with the RTX 4070, considering it has been mass-producing the chip since late summer 2022. With all of that in mind, let's cross our fingers and hope that we can get our hands on a GeForce RTX 4070 as soon as possible. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more hardware news.